Hello everyone, and welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. In this video, we are going to look at how to build and fully customize a stacked column chart in Power BI using our sample Superstore dataset. A stacked column chart is perfect when you want to look at data trends over time or compare broad groups side by side. It lets your audience see the overall height of a column while simultaneously revealing the colorful internal breakdown of that total. To get started, let's navigate to the Visualizations pane on the right-hand side of your screen. In our previous lessons, we looked at the stacked bar chart, which uses horizontal rows. Today, we want vertical columns. To do that, click on the second icon in the top row, labeled Stacked Column Chart. Once you click it, a blank, gray visual placeholder will drop right onto your report canvas. Now, let's bring this blank column placeholder to life. Look directly underneath your visualization icons to find your field buckets. We need to fill three main sections: the x-axis, the y-axis, and the legend. First, let's set up our bottom baseline. From our orders table data, click and drag the category column and drop it directly into the x-axis bucket. Second, let's add our metrics. Grab the sales column and drag it straight into the y-axis bucket. Look at the canvas. Power BI automatically builds three tall, vertical columns showing total sales for technology, furniture, and office supplies. Third, let's add the internal mix. Grab your region column and slide it down into the legend bucket. Instantly, those solid columns split into distinctive, color-coded sections representing your central, east, south, and west regional sales. Our chart is fully functional, but let's format it so it's ready to present in a business meeting. With your column chart selected, click the Format Visual Paintbrush icon right here in the pane. To make the exact sales of each segment clear, find the Data Labels option and toggle it to On. This prints the precise regional amount right inside each column stack. Next, to make sure your audience doesn't have to do the mental math to figure out the grand total, look right below and toggle Total Labels to On. Now, the final combined sales figure sits neatly right on top of every single column. If you want to change these default colors to match a specific corporate brand style, simply scroll down to the Columns drop-down option in this exact formatting pane. Click on any region's color bucket and swap it out for any custom color you prefer. One of the best features of building this in Power BI is that your data isn't static. If you click directly on a single colored stack, for instance, the West region segment inside the technology column, Power BI automatically cross-filters the rest of your dashboard to focus purely on that selection. Click it again to easily reset your view. And that's it. That is everything you need to know to create a professional stacked column chart in Power BI. If you found this clear, step-by-step tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below with any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more quick, bite-sized software lessons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.